Hi, hello, this is Anup here. In this video, we are going to see how to take a Office 365 backup with Altaro. What I'm going to do over here is I'm taking a trial version of Altaro Office 365 backup. And let's see how to configure it and what are the processes to configure it. I have requested for a trial and I got a mail, and I'm clicking on that mail link that is taking me to the configuration page of Altaro 365. Before it will take you to the configuration page, you need to fill up some details and accept some of the license agreement and privacy agreement and all. Let's take a look at the requirements or prerequisites for Altaro Office 365 backup is managed through their cloud management console. So we need to look at the cloud management console support. At the moment, the supported web browsers are IE11, Chrome, Edge and Firefox. I'm using Edge, I think. Okay. The console access URL is also given. So let's dive into Altaro Cloud Management Console. So over here I'm logged in with my username and password which I created during the trial installation process. And you can refer to the previous steps in the video. You will come to know about that. So that is straightforward process, and you have lot of options over here. You can change the email ID if you want. You can change the password, change the profile picture region. You can check the documentation, what is new, etc, etc. I'm already there in the Office 365 organization setup, so trial version took me directly to this particular page. Okay, and it says Office 365 backup subscription trial will end in 30 days. So this is only for 30 days. So before that I just wanted to get a feeling of it, so that is why we are here. This step-by-step instructions are very useful. First step is step 1, that is confirm your organizations, confirming the organization, and the second step is adding your Office 365 organization to Altaro, and the third step is choose mailboxes to backup. So which are the mailboxes? If you have like thousands of mailboxes, you want to backup any particular mailboxes, you can select those, and the fourth one is finish and you will get the summary of it. Let's get into confirming the organization. I think I have already completed the confirmation of the organization, so next step is okay. So when you initially get into Altaro Cloud Management Console with Office 365 subscription, it will give you in the dashboard. On the left hand side you can see a dashboard. In the dashboard you will get an option, link your first Office 365 organization to the portal. So if you click on that, you will get to the step-by-step details which I explained few minutes back. Okay, I was wondering where should I go next. It's not enabled anywhere, there is no button. That was a bit tricky because if I go over here and slide the bar over here, you will see a next button over here. Okay, bottom right hand side of my screen. Click on next. That will take you to the next step. So that button was like bit tricky. I was searching for that button like a few minutes. I will put my Office 365 organization name over here in a second. So in my scenario, my Office 365 organization is howtoManageDevices.com, and I'm clicking on the bottom right hand side button, add Office 365 organization button. So that is opening up a new tab in my Edge, and it is asking me to the logging to the Office 365 portal. Okay, and it is asking me to accept the permissions. Basically what we are doing is we are giving permission to Altaro to access Office 365 mailbox. I clicked on accept. It's granting access to Altaro Office 365 backup. Please wait while we grant access. It can take couple of minutes to grant access. Okay, so let's wait. So after 2 minutes, what I can see is Altaro got the access to my Office 365, and I can close this tab by clicking on that button. Now we are in this Altaro Cloud Management Console. Now you can see we have completed, let's see, step 1 over here and step 2 over here, and now we are in the step 3, that is choose a mailbox to take backup. There are two options right over here. One is backup all the mailboxes. The second option is choose which mailboxes to backup. Normally I would like to take the other option. I will select mailboxes which I wanted to take backup individually. I don't want to backup all the mailboxes in this scenario. So search option is there. Let me check my mail ID. Yeah, I have a mailbox over here. Let me check some other names. Here is another important or nice option: automatically backup any new mailboxes created in the future. At the moment I don't want to do that, but I will take a backup of my mailbox, that is Anoop, and I selected that. Now I'm going to click on next button over here. Let's see what is happening. It is going through something. It is doing something over here. Left hand side top Altaro's icon. So you can check that out what is happening over there. Step 1 completed, step 2 completed, step 3 completed, step 4, that is finish, and it is giving a summary now. Office 365 organization has been successfully added. Okay, you have configured the backup for Office 365 organization. How to manage devices.com. Mailboxes created in the future will not be automatically added to your backup plan because we have not selected that option. That's fine. I'm just going to click on finish button to finish this off. So we have finished the configuration of Office 365 mailbox backup. Now we are seeing the result in the dashboard. On the right hand side you can see showing health information for how to, and in that you can see the backup is successfully completed. So we will cover more details about restoring mailboxes using Altaro Office 365 backup solution in the next video. In this video, we have seen how to configure the backup Office 365 mailboxes with Altaro Office 365 backup. Thank you for watching. Bye.